Hey guys, happy Sunday. Lehman here with Leadcast. I am back from Mexico. Had a great time watching a little bit of basketball. Been some crazy games in the tournaments over the past couple of days, so pretty cool. Anyway, today's Sunday, and I started thinking, look, I'm not going to do any videos over the weekend. I just told myself I wasn't going to do that, but today's Sunday, and today's the day of open houses. So I started thinking, wow, we have a tool in Leadcast that's pretty cool. I'm going to show you how to post through Leadcast platform and promote your open house and get free leads coming in. Okay, doesn't cost you a dime. Free leads coming into the system that want to converse with you and ask you questions about what you have to offer. So that is today's training video. So let's head over to the computer and I'll walk you through exactly how to do it. Okay, so here we are logged into the back end of our Leadcast platform, our CRM marketing and engagement platform. And like I said before, we'll be talking about open house leads. I'm going to show you how to promote your open house through Leadcast and be able to get free leads coming in. Okay, these are people that might want to see what you have to offer. They might want to know when your open house is coming, when the house is hitting the market. They might want to see the pictures, the address, the price, whatever. And here's how you do this. Now, what I'm going to show you right now is pretty cool. Now, we're actually doing this and integrating this through our back end with Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter as well. Right now, this is working through Facebook. So let me show you how this works. You're going to come down to funnels. You're going to go to pre-made funnels. Now we're going to pick one of our pre-made funnels down here. Let's pick this one. Pick this one right here. I'll show you what it looks like first. So this is it. We're going to build from this. This is our foundation. Okay. So this is our foundation. Let's get out of this. We're going to go use. Okay. So once we click on use, we are going to name this funnel. We're going to name it 123 Main Street Open House. Okay. And if you have somebody who's working for you, an assistant, or maybe you have a partner that's a mortgage company and you want the leads that come in to go to them as well, so you can just put their email address in right there. What we're going to do, we're going to turn it on. Okay. We're going to click on Save Funnel. Okay. It says we've been saved. So now we have an active funnel. Okay. And we called it 123 Main Street. I'll show you where you can find this. You come over to Funnels, go to My Funnels. You can see right here it says 123 Main Street right here. Okay, let's go back to edit. Now we got to make this funnel look like our open house, of course, right? So what we're going to do, we're going to come over to our MLS. We're going to find a house that we have listed. Let's just pretend this is my house that I have listed, and I probably should have put this address in there anyway, right? Okay, so let's just go back, and we'll do it for demonstration purposes. Boom, there we go. Click on Save. Now it's been saved. So this is our house we're marketing. Okay. Now we're going to come down. We want to tease our audience. So we want to take this picture. We want to right click and click on Save Image As. We're going to save this to our desktop. Okay. I've already done it. Save it to our desktop. Lots of pictures you can use here. Let's get out of this. And now what we're going to do, we're going to edit the home page. Okay. Remember the home page, it looked nice, but it looked like it needed to be edited so it looks more like the property that we are marketing. So we're going to click on the pencil right here. And we're going to click on this little bitty gear right there. We're going to click choose. We're going to go right here. We're going to click on the upload. Okay. Go to upload. This is going to send you to your desktop where you saved that picture that I just showed you. Of course, I've already saved it. So we're going to pick that picture right there. I'm going to click on choose. Click on preview, and then I'm going to click on save. Okay, now we've saved that image back there. Okay, now we probably want to change the text a little bit. Let's say instant access to the full library of pictures and price of this. Let's just call this Brentwood, Tennessee property, right? Okay, so now who we're marketing to, they know this is in Brentwood. They know it's in this city, right? So now we're teasing them. Look, we got this house that's about to hit the market, or it's already hit the market. We have an open house coming this weekend, whatever it is, right? And now they know where it is. And they're looking in Brentwood. You don't know where they're looking in Brentwood, but they might want to see this property. Okay, check out the property now. So let's click on Save and click on OK. We've finished this page already. Okay, let's click on the button that says Cancel and Get Out. Now we're going to click on Save again. Okay, we always want to save when we come out. Now what we want to do, we're going to go to the thank you page and make sure the thank you page looks like the home page. which is the image of the property that we're marketing. I'm going to click on this button right here, right? I'm going to click on this gear, and I'm going to click on choose. I'm going to go find the picture that I've already uploaded, which is this one right here. Click on choose, preview, and save image. Okay, now we're finished. This automatically pulled in my office telephone number to make sure I'm compliant, right? Now I might want to go ahead and add the image of, the logo of my company. So all I did was click on that button, click on photo. I'm going to double click right here, double click, and then I'm going to go browse to my desktop. Right there, I can go to upload, browse to my desktop. I can bring in my logo from my company, or of course I've already uploaded mine, so I'll just grab one right here. Click on choose, and it's distorted in this image, but right here, just click OK, and there we go. All right, now we're finished. Let's click on preview real quick, and then we click on save. I'm telling you, you can do this, guys. Once you learn how to do this, you can do this in about 10 minutes or less. All right. And what we want to do now, we want to send them. Of course, we're telling them on the homepage that, opt in now. Put your name, telephone number, email address in, and I'll send you the address of this house that we have listed, or the house where the open house is going to be. Who wants to see the images, right? That's what it said. So let's do this. Let's click on this gear, this little gear right here. Let's click on sample text. What I'm going to do is let's make all this white. So highlight it, come up here to the top, and click on white. Okay, now we're done. Let's get rid of that. Okay, and we'll just say, click here for images. Okay, you could say what you want to. You can say click here for images. You can click here for property details. Matter of fact, if you want to, you can. If you don't want it white, you can come up here and change it to blue and make it look like a hyperlink. Right? You can do what you want to. I think I'm gonna keep mine. I like the way it looks white right there. That's good. Preview images. Click on save. Now, to make this a clickable link, here's how easy it is. You come to your MLS. We're going to click this property right here. We're going to click a share. We're going to create a shareable link. We want this a buyer's report. Click on copy link. We're going to come back over to our system. We're going to highlight this. I'm going fast, guys, for demonstration purposes, but I have videos that walk you through step by step. I'm telling you, if you can email, copy, and paste, if you can type on a computer, you can do this. We took the technology out so anybody can do this. Highlight this, come up to this little bitty chain right there. Click on that chain and then paste. Remember, we copied the link. Paste that link right there. Click OK. All right. Preview changes. And now we want to hit save. Okay. Now we'll get out and click on Save Funnel. Guys, we're done. We're done. You're saying, but Lehman, you told me you're going to show me how to get free leads. Yes, I'm going to show you that right now. We had to build the marketing funnel first. Okay, we had to build it first so we could show people what we have to offer. So we go to My Funnels. You see where it says 5118 Herschel. Let's click on Preview. There's the property we just built. There's the marketing funnel we built. We're going to click on this. Yes, click on what the property images. This is what they're going to put in to be able to get access to the images of your open house. That's what they're going to put their information in. When they put their information in, it'll take them over to the thank you page. Well, let's go see that real quick. Actually, let's just do this. Let's just show you what it actually does, right? Let's just say this is put in a dummy lead, and we will get instant access now. Oops, valid cell phone number. We did program that in so nobody could put fake numbers in. So I'll put in 615. Instant access. Now it took me to the thank you page. You see that? If I click right here, it's going to give me access to that listing. Right? And I just got a notification in my system that says this right here. New lead notification. Look at that. I can view the lead. It immediately told me I got a new lead. The system did. That's how quick it is. All right. So now that we know we have an active funnel, here's what we do. We take that image from that piece of property that I just showed you. All right. We take that image right here. And we do this. I'm not gonna actually post the whole image. Well, I'll tell you what. I'll just do a different image. Let's see right here. Save this. Save image as. Okay. And let's call this. We'll just do a bunch of 7878 so I know where it is. Let's put it on the desktop. Hit save. Okay. Now we're going to come over to our LeadCast platform. We're going to go to our tab called Socialcast right here. All right. Now we got others. Like I said, we have right now we're active on Facebook. And what you do is when you set your account up right here, you're able to link your Facebook page right here. I have mine. I have a couple of them, but this is my Middle Tennessee Real Estate Market Facebook page. You can actually link your Google. So once you link this page and you come to your social media right here, you can actually post right here to that page. And you could say, I'm not going to type it in because I can't type and talk at the same time, but you basically say, who wants to see, well, you know what, let's do this. Watch this. Let's go to our actual, let's go back to our funnels. We'll do this right. I'll show you. All right, come preview. All right, we're just going to put this. I'm going to copy this. Come back over here. We're going to go to Socialcast. All right, and we're going to paste that right there, right? It's exactly, let's say instant access. Let's TH, okay. There we go. Let's move this text up a little bit. So there's our text. We're posting this. This is going to go to our Facebook page. Now we're going to come down and we're going to select that image. We're going to click on the image right here. Go to our desktop. Let's do 7878, wherever it was right there. Boom. Check that out. Now when I hit post, it's going to go over to my Facebook page. Okay. That's going to go over to my Facebook page and it's going to post. But what I want to do, I want to have a call to action. Okay. So I want to do this. I'm going to go send me a private message for all the details. Okay. Basically, if you want to see the inside of this property, see all the pictures, the price, the address, send me a private message for all the details, right? I'm going to click on post. I'm not going to do that because it'll go to my page. Now, here's what happens. When that goes to my Facebook page, people are going to see that. They're going to go, I want to see the inside of this property. So I'm going to send them a private message. Well, here's what happens when they send you a private message. We're linked to our Facebook page. All your private messages come in right here. You see that number 1? I just had a friend of mine that posted, and hopefully he did it right. I told him, I say, send me show me the property. So right here, look at this. 1 new message, unread. Click on that. Show me the house. Okay, so this guy wants to see this house, right? Wants to see the house. You can tell them to do whatever you want to. Send me a private message that says, show me the details, show me the house, what's the price, show me the pictures, right? Whatever it is. So when they say they want to see the inside of that, they want to know the address, they have some sort of an interest, right? I can go right here and I can converse with him. I can say, thanks. Now he'll probably say something strange when he comes back. See, it says thanks. But what I can do is I can say, oh, this guy's hot. This person really is interested. I can click this button right here. I can say, add this person as a lead, right? So now I can add that person as a lead to my system, and it goes in right here. Goes in right there. All right. And that's how you get free leads, guys. You can post. You can tell people to send you a private message. And when those private messages come in, they come in right here, right? And all you have to do is click that one button. If it's a hot lead, boom, just add them in. Okay, that's all you do. Because I hope you enjoyed that training video. If you have any more questions, let us know, and we'll see you on the next videos this next coming week. All right, so wasn't that cool? So we implemented that a while back when we were doing some testing, and we decided we're going to do that with all the social media platforms. So not only what I showed you can do that with Facebook, soon you'll be able to do it with Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram as well. You'll be able to do it in one location. All your messages come in at the same place. So that's a pretty cool way to market your open house. You can actually do that for buyer leads as well. Coming soon, you can do that with a hot list of properties, and you can do it just as easy as what I showed you. So I hope you enjoyed that. This next week is going to be crazy. Lots of training videos we'll be posting. So comment, let us know what you think about it. And if you have any questions, contact at leadcast.com. That's contact at leadcast.com. And we'll see you next week, guys. You'll have a great Sunday and good luck with open houses.